today I'm going to be showing you another squishy vending machine. Here is this one. It looks just like this. The instructions are right there. You pull one of these and then you put in $1 for 2 turns and 50 cents for 1 turn. So let's do it. You can put it in either slot. I'll just put it in this one because it's easier. And that's for an extra, but I'm not going to do that right now. Let's do this, and I'm going to, there is nothing in there. And we're going to push out and push. Pull out. Got your prize. Here is the prize. A blush bun. Now I'm going to show you the inside. Here is the mechanics. Get your prize, the extras thing, and then you put that and then it'll just fall. So that's this vending machine, and all you have to do is close it on up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.